So I'm completely new to homesteading and I want to share what I'm doing just as a beginner. So the two easiest things I found to probably start is creating ginger and creating a ginger bug. Ginger bug is going to replace any kind of soda or sparkling water. And the ginger is going to just be, ginger for other things. This is probably the second easiest. I created microgreens, or I grew microgreens, and I bought all of these microgreens to sprout for salads and that sort of thing. They're delicious. Next on the list is a worm composter. I actually printed this myself, so this is my website, pantryx.io. And I have a bunch of worms in here that are pooping and doing their own thing to make black gold. And I've never gardened, really. So I guess black gold's good, and worm tea, so there's that. Next on the list is basil. I'm actually propagating these, I don't know how to say it. But these are ones I cut, and now I'm getting stems to grow. And this is actually where I grow it all. So I have my light set up. This is where my microgreens all grow with fans. And then the basil actually was right here. I cut them down and they're growing back, which is kind of nice. This is parsley, and I actually cut this the other day and it's already making new little leaves. So that's pretty exciting. And then I have my bunching onions. Don't know how well these are gonna go, but we'll give it a go. And I'm actually growing spinach here. So this is just getting out of hand, but I'm growing spinach upstairs in a hydroponics tower. I have some lights all around it, as you can see right here and right here. And I should probably clip this down here in a little bit. I've actually been keeping track of it on my little app here that I created. It's completely free. So as you can see, it has all of my lettuce, where it's growing in hydroponics, hydroponic tower, aeroponics. I have my microgreens, what are currently growing. And then pantry, what I'm currently have in the pantry. This is just a test. This is not real right now. Well, this isn't, but all the other stuff is. So lots of cool stuff. So this is my little cedar actually that I use to transport to the hydroponics tower. So I have a arugula here. It's growing nicely. I don't know what happened to this little guy down there. He's kind of stuck. But I have arugula, and then I have red Russian kale. And so I do need to add some more water, it looks like. And then I did buy a fermenting kit. So that's the next thing I've built. So I have a little, kit that I can start fermenting cabbage to make all sorts of fun things. Anyways, there is a lot more that I'm gonna be doing. I will keep you guys up to date on all of it. And if you have any questions, feel free to let me know.